Move from Android to iPhone or iPad. First of all, turn on your new Apple device and place it near your Android device. On your Apple device, on the Quick Start screen, tap Setup with another Apple device, then continue to follow the on-screen instructions. You might be asked to activate your eSIM as well. Now look for the Transfer Your Apps and Data screen, then tap From Android option available there. If you already finished setup, you need to erase your iOS device and start over. If you don't want to erase, just transfer your content manually. Then open and set up the Move to iOS app on your Android device. Make sure that you download Move to iOS app on your Android device. To start using, tap on the Continue, read the terms and continues, and then tap Automatically Send or Don't Send to choose how to share app data with Apple. Now all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions on Move to iOS on your Android to transfer all the information of your Android to the Apple. On your iOS device, tap Continue when you see the Move from Android screen, then wait for a 10-digit or 6-digit code to appear. If your Android device shows an alert that you have a weak internet connection, you can ignore the alert. Then enter the code on your Android device, then connect to a temporary Wi-Fi network and choose your content and wait. Then transfer your phone number and SIM or eSIM and set up your iOS device. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.